Hey, don't adjust the channel. You rocking with your boy Blaze. Ain't no telling what we gonna get into today. It's gonna be action-packed. I want you to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get the freshest, the hottest, the newest videos. This channel is all about inspiration. It's all about positivity, good energy. But we definitely gonna have fun. We're gonna work hard. We're gonna think smart. But we're gonna have fun more than anything on this channel. But I want y'all to let all your friends know, even your baby mama.
You're not going to be able to get that kind of gleam.
Whoa. That's crazy. There it is.
Click it.
This is my Snapchat. Hey, solar day, wherever the hell's going on. I just noticed a weird, like, shadow. All right, babe, I'm gonna handle this business.
All right.
Man, I gotta get more key batteries from Mrs. Tropicana. It's never ending, and the battery dead on Bishop, the Expedition. All these damn cars. 7 cars. Then I gotta wash this one. All the grass is left on it. So, gotta wash this one up today. Oh man, but I'm finna take this one. Grass, man, he got everything on here. We're gonna have to wash it back up again. It's been a minute since it's been washed. I'm gonna have to get something to clean them, iron out the rims. Start keeping the rims a little bit more cleaner. I'm talking about, oh, y'all haven't seen it since I put the louvers on it. Put the louvers on it not too long ago. My neighbor Rooster decided they wanna be crying now. Gotta get all that off of there. Just do a small little wash on it. Not too crazy. But I'm gonna show y'all what's going on with the Mustang real quick. All right. I gotta be really close to it for it to work. But I definitely know that it's keep on sending me an alert about getting the battery fixed. So I'm gonna go back over there and get the battery popped out of this one. And I got my spare key. There's actually another I gotta get another battery for the spare key as well. But I don't know if y'all can see, but it's like a crazy light. Stays this solar. It's like a solar thing going on right now. I'm not sure, but that's what's going on today. You know, he just jumped out his car. My neighbor just jumped out to see the solar eclipse, but I took the louvers off this car because I just thought it didn't look good. I think it looks a lot cleaner without the louvers. But yeah, man, this is the first time I've seen it without it. And that's more of my style, being clean, you know. But a lot of people are gonna probably be out looking at it. I'm not finna waste no time. I'm about to get up out of here. I'm finna take the TRD. So man, y'all just stay tuned. Man, this shit crazy. The high beams on are in my car. It is 1:43 and it is pitch black outside. All the street lights are on. 1:45 p.m. This shit crazy. This is crazy. All the gas station lights is on. I just had to film it because this is how it looks like. Man, I feel like my girl windows is like super dark. Like she got that 5%, like that none of your business on here, but actually it ain't like that. Man, just look how dark it is. It's crazy. So I'm gonna throw it in time lapse to see how it records. And yeah, I'm just gonna see how I record while I'm driving over there. I can't say the name of this brand, but I finally got the right one. I done gave up on doing that black hooker heart, what was it? That hooker black heart, wherever it is. Man, I tried. I bought one, it wasn't the right one. Then I got scammed on eBay. I'm waiting for them to give me my money back. I don't even know what I've done with that shaft, but that shaft is $150. Man, I wish I would have waited on that one, man. I could have waited on it, but I just felt like I need to go ahead and order it. I think I'm gonna go ahead and try to throw these bushings in there. Try to put these bushings on in the front. And try to put this, put that on in there. I'm gonna try to check. I'm gonna throw this on out. But I'm gonna try to check and see if I have the bolts that's required for the bushings. I don't even know what I did with that daggone shaft that the one I bought that's not working. So I can see it's always beetles and stuff, crooked. It's always some kind of bug managing to get into my shop. So got the big boy truck in here today. I'm gonna go ahead and throw y'all in time lapse, but I'm gonna try to find this. I'm gonna try to find that steering shaft that I bought. And I'm gonna look for those bushings. I gotta see if I still have those. There it is. That hooker header performance right there. That's the drive shaft that I kept on trying to make work. I'm looking for those bushings, man, that went to my control arm, my front sway bar. I think I threw it out on accident, honestly. I'm not even seeing anything similar. Those are fenders, shims for the fenders, tail light bolts. Yeah, I don't think I got it no more. Ain't no telling, man. I got stuff everywhere. Oh, these parts is adding up real quick on this car. It's starting to get too crazy for me, man. I don't know what I did with those bushings, man. When I took those rubber bushings out and I seen how crappy that stuff was, I just threw it on out. Cause I looked in here already. I'm gonna keep on looking, man, until I find everything. Cause I'm constantly buying stuff that I may not need. And that's what this channel really about, man. That's what this channel really is about. First timers making the mistakes. I'm showing y'all the mistakes. Not ashamed to tell y'all I'm making mistakes. And I'd rather make the mistake on my time than allow somebody to take advantage of me with my hard-earned money and everything. So I'm finna go ahead and throw y'all back in time. I'm finna go ahead and throw y'all in time lapse. I'm gonna see if we can go ahead and get this steering shaft to work. Let me see, man. It look like it's... What is going on? Why is this shit not working, man? Why is this shit not working? Okay, it look like it might have an extension on. Let me see. I'm gonna go ahead and throw you on time lapse. We're gonna figure it out. right, so as y'all can see, I had to pull out my cutting tools. Y'all know I love for sparks to be flying. I love welding and things of that nature, man. I love that type of stuff. But I got that bolt out finally. I over tightened it. It was really hot just now, but I was cutting it. It's still kind of warm, but I was able to cut it and knock the head off. And then I had to go through the washers because they have a metal washer in the top side of the rubber bushing. So I'm just gonna put my little Dremel back up. I had to go the Dremel route because that big grinder was just way too big. It was kind of hard to move it around and everything in there. So I'm gonna try to see if I can get this other side off. I'm sitting back and I'm thinking, man, it took me all this time to get to this point. Hell, I might as well just go ahead and just throw that bushing back in there. Go ahead and throw it on back in there. But I was thinking that I may go ahead and try to clean up this frame just a little bit more, even though I should stop while I'm ahead. And I may just go ahead and just scuff this back down and reshoot it. And just buy a whole bunch of that black chassis black. And just go ahead and do this gloss as well. Because I was going for factory at first. But now that I got it off. And here go the new one. Go the new bushings. Yep, that's the new ones. I'm liable to still just sit on these for a little while longer. I'll be trying to make sure I keep up with all my tools and everything where it needs to be at all times. I'm really big on that. That helps with your efficiency. So, you know, when you're working and you're trying to meet deadlines and get stuff done, you need to be able to know where your tools is. You need to go straight to them, grab them, get it done. So these are the bushings. And I'm probably gonna just put these bushings. I'll put them right here. I ain't gonna much be moving them. And these the cotter pins and things for the suspension. I'll throw these back in here so I don't lose them. I'm looking everywhere for those bushings. So all my little parts is winding down in here. I wish I could tell y'all what these went to. Honestly, I wish I could tell y'all. I have no clue. I have no clue whatsoever. But wherever it is, I'll figure it out when I get to it. So we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna check to see if I can get this one off right here. And I'll probably just go ahead and pull that panel on off. It's about time for me to start getting these serviced for the summer ride outs and stuff. Try to go ahead and start getting these put together and all the oil changes and everything on them, all the maintenance that may need to be done on them. Probably clean it up a little bit. Cause those others need to be popping white. But it's a dirt bike at the end of the day. It's gonna get all back dirty again. My main goal right now is to get all my classics up and running and get my dually in tip-top shape. But mainly right now I'm just focusing on paying this off, paying off my dually and getting my motor work all the way right. Just now when I put that gear on there, that steering shaft, when I turned it, all the fluid came out the pump again, made a little bit of a mess. It dropped all down on my rotors and stuff, as y'all can see down there. And ain't no telling, it probably dripped on some of these rails and things. Ain't no telling, but I'm definitely needing to get more black chassis, black paint. And it seems like it's always, I need to get something. That's the thing about messing with these cars, it's never ending, man. As soon as you think you got everything that you need, you use it all up and then you gotta get some more or you never had it to begin with, so you need to buy it. You know what I mean? It's always something. But these boats, this topside boat is a 16, I believe. That's what it looked like it's showing on mine. I don't want everybody to think that I'm an expert. So if you're watching this channel thinking I'm an expert, I'm far from it. I'm never gonna pretend I'm an expert. I'm hoping that more people can relate to me as far as first time do-it-yourself type of guy. Those the people that I'm really trying to target, and people that just love cars in general. You know what I mean? You know, I just like the idea that this car right here, it's a lot of information out there. I think this is probably one of the easiest cars for a first timer like myself to take on. You know, I'm probably always using far more tools than what's needed. But if I would have known what I know with that bushing, I would not have tightened it that tight. And I could have held off on it, but when I got ready to move, I was just glad that I was able to put the car back in put them all together back in pretty much, what would that be? All in one piece. I tried to move the whole body, so I put all the fenders and everything together. But yeah, man, it's hard work. As y'all can see, it's hard work, especially when you decide, hey, I'm done paying people and I'm gonna do it myself. But if you like this type of content, man, y'all stay tuned because we got a lot more fire content coming. Y'all just gotta stay tuned though.